is time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's most award-winning attorneys and guys that like to laugh and have a good time. They're serious when they need to be. They have a good time when they have to be. Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarambolo.
I got to ask, what was with the story yesterday or the other day about the snuggling with the goats?
Yeah, there was a farm in Virginia where they were actually asking people to volunteer to snuggle with goats, and we had some interest on that.
Wow.
Can you believe that?
Yeah. I can't believe it.
We have interest like that on The Law and You as well. We'll get to our question today, and we know a lot of viewers always send in questions. Today it's Harry in Monroe County's turn, and he says, I own a small business and I accept checks on a regular basis. I have one customer who routinely bounces checks. They generally make good on the check, but it has become a real problem. Do I have to accept this customer's checks anymore? And could I call the police? So is this something that police should be notified about?
You don't have to. I wouldn't necessarily say you have to call the police because they are making good on the check. I mean, it may be quasi-criminal, but you don't have to take the checks. I mean, you can accept any form of payment that you want. So stop taking the checks. You're probably having to pay fees because of the checks getting bounced, and you're having to resubmit it to your bank. So whether you're in, Monroe County or Luzerne County or Lackawanna County or whatever it may be, you don't have to accept a check from somebody. You can force them to pay for cash or credit card.
Right. And in essence, yeah, it's a crime. You can't write bad checks. There's a statute out there that addresses that. Depending on the amount, it can go from a summary to a felony in the amount of offenses. So the answer is yes, but it sounds like this is a little bit of a different story with the way you've been doing it, but you're probably better off just saying no more checks.
So if you were in Williamsport, Weatherly, Waymart, you need legal advice, you guys were available. How can our viewers reach you?
We're available. Call 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Yeah, whether you're in Hazleton or Hanover or Humboldt or Hamlin, just give us a call. Harvey's Lake.
All right, well, we're covering the whole area here with The Law and You tonight. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarambolo. We passed the geography test tonight.
We'll see.
All right, don't forget the Law and You hotline is open. You could also submit a question through PAHomepage.com.